in the Blackstone hole. Let's smash a burger. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard griddle. So what I got for you today is I got the idea for this from my buddy Kevin over at Man Kitchen Meals. And I'll put an iCard for Kevin. Go check out Kevin. Now Kevin made a pork burger and smoked it on his smoker, and then he dressed it up like a pulled pork sandwich. I'm not going to grind my own pork. Kevin ground his own pork. I got this never any ground pork from Aldi's. It's good stuff. What I'm going to do is form this into a ball and season it with some of this Uncle Steve's shake. This is Gator shake, but it works on pork, gators or pork. And I'm going to make a smash burger on the Blackstone. And then we'll dress it up the way Kevin dressed his sandwich up with pickles and coleslaw right in the bun. You'll see. Anyway, yeah, thanks Kevin for the idea. Okay, let's get this rolling. Stay tuned. Okay, I got my nicely seasoned little ball of meat right there. Gonna drop it down there on the Blackstone. Here it's sizzling. Gonna let it sizzle a minute. Take some parchment paper and my burger smasher. Give that puppy a smash. There you go. Smashed pork patty, well seasoned with Uncle Steve's shake. All we got to do is get that cooking, let it cook a little bit, we'll flip it over, then we're going to put together this pork smash burger in the style of a pulled pork sandwich. So stay tuned. Okay, my pork burger is done. I'm going to take some of this. You know I'm obsessed with this stuff. Japanese barbecue sauce, and put it on the bottom of the bun. On the bottom bun, some of that Japanese barbecue sauce. Man, that stuff is amazing. I gotta tell you. I'm gonna throw down my burger, my pork burger, on the bun. Then I've got some pickles to put on there. If I can get to them. Here we go. Yeah, get some pickles on there. It's just like a pulled pork sandwich that you get at a barbecue restaurant. I think we could probably fit 3 pickles on there. What do you think? I put some Swiss cheese on that burger too, by the way. And we also got to put some coleslaw. And I did make my own coleslaw for this, I must say. So we got to put some coleslaw on there. That goes on the top of that thing, like that. And there you go. Just like that, my pulled pork, or not pulled pork, but pork smash burger is done. Let me get a beer. We'll take a shot of that, and then I'll attempt to cram some of that in my mouth. Stay tuned. All right, my burger's done. There's today's beer. Holy mackerel, special golden Belgian style ale. This comes from Florida. This is a Pompano beer. Where's my opener? Holy crap. It's way over there. Ah, crap. Oh, here's one. Here's one. Okay, never mind. Ah, no problem. We got openers coming out our butt. Let's get this open and get it poured out, Rob. A Pompano beer, Rob. You been to Pompano? It's just north of here. Let's pour out some of this holy mackerel golden ale, Belgian style. Beautiful. A beautiful golden ale, boy. Oh yeah. And another perfect pour, baby. Who said I don't have it in me? I got it in me. Yes, sir. Let's take a sniff of that. Ah, it smells great. Let's quaff the froth off it, Rob. What do you think? Mmm. That's delicious. Let me get a taste of this awesome burger. Stay tuned. Now you know this is going to be a hard burger to eat. Let me tell you what. Let me try and squeeze it together somehow. And there it is. My pork smashie in the style of a barbecue pulled pork burger. Let me get a bite of that. Mmm. Oh boy. I mean nothing. Well, Wow. That's delicious. Let me tell you what, babies. Thanks to Kevin from Man Kitchen Meals for the awesome recipe. And yeah, that's my video. You know what I always say, babies? If you like this crap, please subscribe. You didn't think you'd see me on here, did you? If you don't, go up in the iCard and check out Kevin, Man Kitchen Meals. Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm sorry, Kevin. Man Kitchen Recipes. Go check him out. He's always cooking up something good on his Blackstone griddle or elsewhere. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. Bye, babies.